Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Hey everybody, I wanted to shoot this quick video to show you some of the results. Let me put this over here. Show you some of the results that we've been having, with our EA and our top-down analysis trainings. With the prop firm challenges, we got the EA set on prop firms. We have the EA on live accounts. We also have manual trading accounts that we're trading right now, guys. We have the total package here in the Easy Way to Trade. This is my live, my Forex funds challenge right here, 10K challenge right here, guys. All right. As you see, I've been running it 2 days now. This is the EA, and I have minimal management, guys. The EA, the EA is set up to take the trades for me. As you see, I have 28 days left. I'm up $171. What I'm doing is something new that we're going to be showing everybody, guys. We have the EA set to come on at 1 a.m. Eastern in the morning and to shut off by 2 p.m. Now, the only thing that I do with this EA is I actually close out my London trades, say around 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. When I wake up, I'll close out the London trades that's running, win, lose, or draw, close them out. And then my New York trades, I let them run till about 2 when the EA shuts off, and I'll close them out, win, lose, or draw. And as you can see, that's the only management that I'm doing, up $171 in 2 days right now on this 10K live challenge, guys. So we have it all right here. And we're going to be releasing this new version over the weekend here. I think today is the 28th. We'll be releasing it over the weekend here for our team to actually download from an Easier Way to Trade website. So look forward to that. And guys, this right here, this is our Discord group for an Easier Way to Trade. So this is where we actually get together, post ideas in here, post our pictures here, talk about the EA results and things like this. But we also have our top-down analysis, and let's go to that by Chartmaster Eric B. Okay, we have that right here. We have our charts right here. See, top-down analysis is another way that we actually we're actually trading over here, guys. What we do is we show you actually how to set up, how to find structure, support, resistance, and how to this is part of the manual trading, right? So in our manual trading group, we actually come in and our members post their templates, their charts on, what they think trades are going to do, right? And we have the chat room right here, of course, where we get in and we talk about things, of everything like that. But at the end of the week, we have, our signals from all the signals that we've done for that week. So you'll see right here, the weeks we have 7 wins, 2 losses, a total of over 346 potential pips. This is done at the end of every single week, because during the week we have our signals group right here where we will come in and actually put signals in. And what he does is he actually mark them up first, right? So we'll get the signal marked up first, and then we'll come back to it, after it's done. See how this one hit TP? It went up a little bit higher right before it pulled back and reversed, right? Which creates probably another signal right here, guys. But as you see, we actually mark the charts up first, and then, afterwards. Now, this group, we've had the signals group here for roughly 8 months, roughly over 8,000 total potential pips. That's roughly 1,000 potential pips every single month, guys. So that's also part of your membership, an Easy Way to Trade right here. Not only do we have the EA, but we have the signals group right here with our top-down analysis. And again, the top-down analysis is strictly showing you how to go in, mark up charts and everything. And I'll show you a couple of examples of that really quick. And guys, in our signals group right here, we're over 70%. That's amazing, 70%, guys. It's just strictly amazing. And you don't have to take our word for it. You can actually go from the day we started this group, and just every single signal is in here. Every signal is in here. And from the day we started to today, we're over roughly 70% in signals. Everything is verified right here, proven. As part of our manual trading, guys, this is Eric B's personal 100K live funded challenge right here. He's already passed, he's funded, he's going to be starting live trading on Sunday. So that's coming from the signals that he does, his markups, chart markups, and these are some of he'll be putting his trades on this personal account here, the same signals that he places out in the signals group, guys. He's already passed the first 2 phases, and the signals that the trades that he used to pass it are the same signals that he's actually put in the signals group. So he's going to be live trading this account starting next week, and he might even do some Zoom sessions, pop-up sessions showing you the trades, guys. And then all of the sessions that we do are actually in our university, and I'll show you that really quick too. Our university right here is where we actually have, put all the trainings, breakdown structure, identifying the trends, trade management, how to identify trade setups. Everything is right here in our university, guys. Now, this is the actual company account. This is the first phase of the company account. As you see, his target was only $8,000. He made that. And so now he's moved to the actual second. And again, all the trades that he's used for these accounts are the exact same trades that he's putting into the signals group, right? So now this is the second phase. So as you can see, his profit target is $5,000. And he has 57 days remaining on this one, guys. He only needs another roughly $3,500, and then the company will be fully funded. With this, and again, the signals that he's using, the trades that he's putting into here are the exact same trades that he puts into the signals group, guys. So you're getting a lot of value for that. For the signals alone is worth the membership cost. Okay, guys, let's go back to the EA really quick. This is an account that Eric B started, with the EA, guys. As you see, he started this, make it a little bit bigger. As you can see, he started this account on April 11th, balance of $500 right here, $500, okay? Simply running the EA from London session to New York, meaning we have the EA set, and this is the version that I'm talking about we're going to be releasing over the weekend. We have the EA set to come on at 1 a.m. Eastern in the morning. You don't have to do anything. It'll automatically do all this. It'll come on at 1 a.m. in the morning, take the trades, right? Anywhere between 6:30 and 7:30 in the morning. Once we get up Eastern time, once you get up, right, you'll close out the London trades, because what we know is if we leave those trades running into New York, they tend to start pulling back. So if you're in profit by the end of New York, now you're more than likely negative. So we come up with a strategy that we'll close those trades out from London and then let the New York trades run. And the same thing with the New York. The EA is set to automatically go off at 2 p.m. Eastern time. For roughly the end of New York, right? Or toward the end of New York. And then we'll close out those trades, because again, if we leave those trades running, they tend to pull back, and then we definitely don't want to go over market changeover. So the new strategy is, and again, we'll be releasing this over the weekend, is from 1 a.m. Eastern to 2 p.m. Eastern. Everything is done automatically as far as turning the EA off and on. All you have to do is close out the trades. That is it, guys. And then at the end of the week, as you can see, he's doubled the account. Let's go to the next one. He has doubled the account, guys. By the end of the week here, $1,000, $500 profit. And this was on April 25th, right? So he started this account April 11th to April 25th, doubled the account simply using the new strategy. Now what we'll do is, since we doubled it, now we'll up the lot size, go from $2 a pip a little higher, maybe $3 a pip, to up the lot size to create even more profit, and then do the same thing over again. It's that simple, guys. The EA is crushing. So now I'm going to show you some results that other people have been having with the EA also. This is some of the results that people have been having. I kind of put them together in a collage right here. I'm not going to do too many of them, guys, because you can join our Discord group and see more. It's just too many of them to be trying to put together. But as you can see, the EA with minimal management has been crushing the market. As you see, people have been passing these challenges, growing their live accounts with this. And as a bonus to the EA actually has its own Telegram signals group also, where once the EA takes a trade, it will actually put that same trade into the Telegram group. So that's an added bonus, guys. So not only do we have a Discord signals group where Eric B puts his signals in, that's been crushing the market, over 8,000 potential pips in 8 months, guys, but the EA itself actually puts these trades into the signals group also. Going to show you that really quick. So this is the signals group from the EA, guys. Again, as I said, we have a Discord signals group where Eric B puts in, where Chartmaster Eric B puts in his signals that he's been using to crush the challenges, and everybody else has been using to grow their accounts. But our EA has its own signals group to an easier way to trade EA signals. So every time our EA takes a trade, guess what, guys? It is putting that same trade into this signals group right here. And you can set up your Telegram to where you can get notifications. So when the EA takes a trade, it's thrown in the Telegram group. Now you can actually manually trade these signals too. The EA has been killing it, guys. So with minimal management, I've been showing you that. So you can actually take these trades and on your personal account along with Chartmaster Eric B's trades. Figured I'd put a couple of certificates in here from Prop Firm Challenge passing, guys, with the EA and manual trading. We got it all, guys. We have the signals from Chartmaster Eric B. We have the top-down analysis Chartmaster Eric B. We have the EA. We have the EA making, doing its thing. We also have the EA putting the signals in the Telegram signals group. We got it all right here, guys, for our membership. So with an easy way to trade.